first
I
day
really got started now.
yeah, first day you'll start stinging, and the second day it'll just be mellowed down to the point you can't even feel it. I put a little bit of ice on it and now I can't feel it anymore.
For today's video, I'm going to do something very different or very unique. I am going to be making a side dish using stinging nettle or prenisil. Hi, my name is Preeta. I welcome you to the channel where nostalgia meets luxury. Every bite tells a story. Let's begin by cutting 2 very large onions, so we have 500 grams of it finely chopped. Let's take this to the stove. We're gonna cook our chopped onions on medium heat with a little bit of oil. Cook the onions until it gets to the golden brown color and add a little bit of salt for taste at this point. Next up, we'll add a teaspoon of chili powder, a little bit of black pepper powder. Now let's add some chopped garlic, about 2 teaspoons of it. Once the garlic is cooked, add your prenisil leaves like I've done here. Our final ingredient is 3 medium to large sized tomatoes, which are finely chopped. Add them to the prenisil leaves and continue cooking until the leaves are done. Check to make sure that the salt is okay before you serve.
I think this dish is perfect for a side dish. But if you are one of those people who doesn't mind eating rice, you can add it to rice as well. It will taste great.
If you have this in your garden, make sure you use it because it's very nutritious. I hope you give this a try because it's a fantastic dish to enjoy.
If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel to catch me in my future videos. Also, share it with your friends. On that note, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi, you guys enjoying summer already?